This prompt scrapes Reddit and reveals the real pain points of your audience in their own words. Raw, unfiltered, and insanely valuable. Whether you're building a product, writing ads, or crafting landing pages, this prompt shows you what truly matters to your users. But we're not just showcasing it. We're breaking it down using 6 powerful categories: context, example, task, persona, tone, and format. Why? Because when you understand the structure, you unlock the strategy. And by the end of this video, you won't just know what this prompt does, you'll understand exactly why it works so well. So let's break it down, starting with the role this prompt assigns to the AI. You are a market research specialist with expertise in psychographic analysis and consumer behavior. This line defines the role the AI should step into, and it's more than just a title. By assigning a clear professional identity, you shift the model into expert mode. You're telling it, don't just answer, think like a specialist. And that means smarter searches, deeper analysis, and language that reflects real-world market research workflows. You're not getting a general summary. You're getting insight from the perspective of someone trained to spot patterns in human behavior. Now that the AI knows who it is, the next step is understanding what it's working with. Analyze my business's context. Begin by assessing this context about my business target audience, my product service in one sentence, key features or benefits of my offering, my ideal customer demographics, age, interests, income, occupation, problems, frustrations. This is where the magic starts. The prompt forces the user to input real context, what you're selling, what makes it valuable, and who it's for. Without this, the model would be guessing. With it, the model can search Reddit with precision. It doesn't just pull random pain points, it finds the ones that match your niche. That means every insight is tailored, and every frustration it surfaces is one your actual customers are likely feeling. Once the context is locked in, the prompt gives the AI a job. This is where the real work begins. Your task is to analyze my business context, then search Reddit strategically to uncover and segment user pain points using psychographic patterns. This gives the AI a clear role and process. Instead of pulling random insights, it now works step by step. Understand first, search second, analyze third. That structure means the output will actually align with your product and target audience, not just surface-level noise. Start by generating search queries like frustrated with problem, wish I could desired outcome, or anyone else struggle with problem. Then search Reddit, identify emotional themes, and evaluate how often and how strongly each pain point appears, based on comment patterns and engagement. These aren't just keywords, they're emotional signals. By searching Reddit with this kind of phrasing, the AI picks up on real human frustration, desire, and struggle. You're not just finding problems, you're finding what people feel about those problems. That's gold for marketing and product positioning. Finally, organize the findings. What comes up most? What's emerging? And where do people mention problems that no product is solving yet? For each insight, include quotes, emotional intensity, frequency, and current solutions, plus the gaps they're leaving open. This turns raw Reddit posts into usable strategy. You get structure, clarity, and context. Not just what people are saying, but how often, how intensely, and where existing solutions are falling short. That's the kind of insight that drives real growth. Now that the AI knows what to look for and how to find it, the final step is, how should it present what it finds? Present the findings in a structured format with actionable insights for product positioning and marketing messaging. Organize them into primary pain points, secondary pain points, emerging pain points, and unmet needs. For each, include direct user quotes, emotional intensity score, frequency of mention, current solutions, and gaps in those solutions. This isn't just data, it's decision-ready output. The format tells the AI exactly how to translate research into something you can use: headlines, product features, landing page copy. Instead of vague summaries, you get quotes, numbers, patterns, and above all, clarity. But even with a good format, the AI still needs to know how to search, and that's where smart examples come in. You are a market research specialist with expertise in psychographic analysis and consumer behavior. Present the findings in a structured format with actionable insights for product positioning and marketing messaging. Use with deep research. This sets the tone, and tone is power. It tells the AI not just what to do, but how to do it. Precise, analytical, professional. The goal isn't surface-level fluff. It's deep research, structured thinking, and practical insight. This tone ensures that the AI speaks the language of marketers, strategists, and founders, not internet chatter. But even a well-trained expert needs direction. That's where targeted examples come in. Generate a list of psychographic-based search queries using this format. Emotional triggers: frustrated with problem, hate when problem, annoyed by problem. Aspirational language: wish I could, desired outcome, looking for solution to problem. Pain point indicators: anyone else struggle with problem, how do you deal with problem? These examples are more than templates. They're cues for emotional context. They tell the AI, don't search Reddit like a bot. Search like someone trying to understand people. These search lines mimic real posts, real feelings, real struggles, and that's how you extract honest human insight from a chaotic platform like Reddit. That's the full breakdown. Now you know not just what this prompt does, but why it works. If you want to use it yourself, the full prompt in plain text in the description. Drop a like if this helped. Leave a comment if you have questions, and hit subscribe if you want more prompts that actually move the needle. And remember, great AI output always starts with a great input.